In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Brawl Stars not launching. If Brawl Stars is not launching on your device, the first thing you want to do is tap and hold on the Brawl Stars icon. Now you want to tap on this app info button. This should take you to settings. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Here you will find the option of clear cache. Tap on that. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on the option of force stop. Then tap on OK. Once that is done, the next thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search Brawl Stars. Now if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs within the app. Now launch open Brawl Star and this issue will be fixed. But if it is still not fixed, then you want to open up any web browser. Here you want to search Brawl Stars server, then head over to any reliable website such as Down Detector. Here you want to check if there is any issue with the server of Brawl Star or if there is any maintenance going on. If there is problems with the Brawl Stars server, then all you can do is wait. You want to keep checking if the issue has been fixed. Once the server has been fixed, then you can simply open Brawl Star and it will open without any issue. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.